just wanted to let you know about a new guide that I created. I use Divi from Elegant Themes to build all my websites, and I found out that there really is a need for people to figure out how to edit their websites themselves once I'm done with it. So I created it's an 18 page guide on how to edit your own Divi website. So, and it's pretty much got every questions that every client has sent to me or called me in an emergency that they messed something up. So if you're using Divi to build your website, or if you bought one of my themes and you're trying to figure out how to customize it, this pretty much has like everything you need to know. And I gotta say, one of the most important things in it is a tutorial on how to undo your mistakes. So that's actually really important. So you can grab that on my website at Studio Third Eye, and I will put the link in the description so you can grab it. It's by donation, but I won't be insulted if you don't give me a donation. I did spend a lot of time on it though, so enjoy. StudioThirdEye.com.